Hello students, today we'll be solving a random question from the additional practice question set 1 which is issued by board this year only, that is 2023-24. So the question says that Kimaya and Heena started walking from the point P at the same moment in opposite direction. Here's a diagram given. So as you can see, there's a point P given where Kimaya and Heena starts walking but in opposite directions. Then on a 800-meter long circular path, that means the circumference of the circle is 800 meter. Then the question says that Kimaya walked to the clubhouse at an average speed of 100 meter per minute. That is from P to the clubhouse, let's say it is C. So the arc PC, so she took 100 minute per minute, that is her speed for reaching the clubhouse. And Hina walked to the badminton court at an average speed of 80 meter per minute. You can see like from P to B, that is the badminton court, she took 80 meter per minute, that is it was her speed. Then the length of the circular track between the clubhouse and badminton court is 180, that is this distance between C and B is 180 meter. Now the question is that if Hina took 1 minute more than Kimaya to reach her destination, find the time taken by Hina to reach the badminton court. If Kimaya has taken 5 minutes, then Hina took 6 minutes. So we have to find that time only which Hina took for reaching the badminton court, that is the point B. So now we are going to solve this question. Now first of all, let's write what is given here. You can see the image, that is of the figure. So first of all, the total distance that we have is equal to 800 meter. Speed of Kimaya is equal to 100 meter per minute. Speed of Hina is equal to 80 meter per minute. And the distance between the badminton court and the clubhouses, so let's just say between C and B is 180 meter. Fine. Now taking this equation, speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is here given as 80. Distance we don't know, so let it be D, and then time, that would be X. Fine. Now here, as we know that time is X, so if Kimaya is taking X minutes, then Hina will take X plus 1, of course. क्योंकि अगर किमाया ने लिया है 5 तो हिना लेगी 6, अगर किमाया ने लिया है 7 तो हिना लेगी 8. So that's why we'll take it as X. Fine. और when we'll cross multiply it तो we'll get कि 100x is equal to the distance. मतलब ये distance जो है किसने कवर की? किमाया ने. अब अगर हम बात करें हिना की, तो हिना की जब हम इक्वेशन लिखेंगे स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम, तो 80 इज इक्वल टू, इसकी भी हम डिस्टेंस डी ले लेते हैं और टाइम हम इसको क्या ले लेंगे? टाइम हम ले लेंगे x प्लस 1. फाइन. तो इसकी हो गई 80x प्लस 1 इसकी डिस्टेंस. फाइन. अब हम देखें, अब हम इसको अगर इक्वेशन में रखें, अब आपको जब यहाँ पे डायग्राम दिखेगा, अब आपको समझ आ रहा होगा कि हमने जो पूरा सर्कमफेरेंस लिया है दैट इज 800, राइट. अब उसमें हमें 80 मीटर पहले से 180 मीटर पहले से दिया है डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द क्लब हाउस एंड बैडमिंटन कोर्ट 180, प्लस जो डिस्टेंस किमाया ने कवर की दैट इज 100x, प्लस जो डिस्टेंस हिना ने कवर की दैट इज 80x प्लस 80, अगर हम ब्रैकेट्स को खोल दें. फाइन. अब हम यहाँ पे एक वेरिएबल है, एक इक्वेशन है, सॉल्व करेंगे. 180 प्लस 80 कितना हो गया? 260 प्लस 180x, तो 800 में से आप 260 माइनस करेंगे तो हो जाएगा आपका 540, देन 180x. तो अब हमारा x क्या आ गया? 3. दिस इम्प्लाइज, लेकिन पूछा क्या क्या है कि हिना ने कितना टाइम लिया, तो दिस वुड बी 4. दैट इज हम ऐसे लिखे कि हिना took 4 minutes. This is our answer.